Once upon a time, in a village, there was a small house. In that house lived two brothers. They were very poor. Their parents had passed away. The only property they owned was 1 acre of land, a small house, a cow, and a blanket. As time passed, both brothers got married. The elder brother and his wife were very clever, while the younger brother was simple and innocent. One day, the elder brother said to the younger one, "Let's divide our property. What do you think?" The younger replied, "Whatever you say, I will agree." The elder brother said, "In the field, whatever grows above the ground will be mine, and whatever is below will be yours." The younger agreed. For the house, the elder said, "The front yard is mine, and the backyard is yours." The younger agreed. For the cow, the elder said, "The front part of the cow is yours, and the back part is mine." The innocent younger brother still agreed. Finally, for the blanket, the elder said, "During the day it will be yours, and at night it will be mine." The younger agreed to this as well. From the next day, they started living like that. The younger brother shifted to the backyard and worked hard in the field day and night, since the part beneath the ground was his. Feeding the cow, tying it, and giving it water also became his duty, because the front part was his. He also kept the blanket during the day. Meanwhile, the elder brother relaxed in the neat front yard. 6 months passed. Thanks to the younger brother's hard work, the paddy crop grew very well. The elder brother took all that grew above the ground and was very happy. Since the back part of the cow belonged to him, he enjoyed milk and dung every day. At night, he slept comfortably with the blanket. Poor younger brother got no benefit from the property. His family grew poorer day by day, while the elder brother became richer. Eventually, the younger brother's family found it hard to manage even one meal a day. The children began to starve. Then the younger brother's wife said, "You should talk to your elder brother about this." The younger told his elder brother about his troubles and said, "I am getting no benefit from this division, while all the expenses are falling on me." But the elder replied, "Everything is happening according to our agreement. It cannot be changed." The younger brother became worried, but his wife was very wise. She said, "There is a way out, we will do the same, but differently." The next day, instead of planting paddy or sugarcane, the younger brother planted sweet potatoes in the field. He stopped feeding the cow, and during the day he kept the blanket soaked in water. When the elder brother went to milk the cow, the hungry cow kicked him. Frustrated, he went to sleep and asked for the blanket. The younger gave him the wet blanket. In a short time, the crop was ready, and the younger brother dug out sweet potatoes from beneath the ground. The elder brother shouted angrily, "You have cheated me." But this time, the younger brother did not give in. Then the elder brother realized his mistake and said, "Let us now divide the property fairly." Moral: one should never cheat others. Whoever cheats will eventually face the consequences.